Hi, maybe have you ever wondered how to deal with rejection, how to move forward in academia, papers, fellowships? Things are very tough. How to deal with that? I like to use this phrase, failure can lead to success. But how? Maybe you wonder how? How failure can lead to success? But before going to start with that, everybody only sees the good things, like when you are successful with maybe, oh, one received research award, paper, got the news, a new paper was honored with another paper, and so on. But people never talk about this. Rejection, you see, the paper was submitted twice, was rejected once. Everybody's saying, boo, you failed, you didn't pass. And also, bad news, like I did a lot of effort for my paper and it got rejected. What can we do to address this issue? How can we deal with rejection? This is my checklist. I have found these 5 pieces of advice that, that have been very, very helpful, especially during my career here at Purdue, during my time here at Purdue. I have implemented these 5 steps and then I've been able to overcome plenty of my issues related to academia. To begin with, I first think and analyze. How can I solve the problem? I always say rejection is never the end. Maybe you think, hey, when I submitted this grant, when I wrote my paper, what did I do wrong? How can I solve this problem? Maybe you go and look, oh, I got some revision from my paper. I got some pieces of advice from X and Y editor. What can I do to solve this? I need to analyze and see, hey, how can I move forward? Second, I personally believe that you need to have your mind clear, clean the mind, and then it gives you energy to start over. So it's not always about thinking, hey, I have plenty things to do. Oh, I'm overwhelmed, but you need to clean many things over there, like level of stress. Relax a little bit. How I do this? I go and exercise. I talk to maybe to your partners. You can talk to your parents. You can talk to everybody about the situation, if this is something that it helps. Also, people enjoy having a nice meal. The point of this, if you have a clean mind, you are more able to deal with some sort of rejection. You are able to come with new ideas. Coming back, that I just said, maybe you talk to other people, but it's not only talking about the situation. You also need to look for resources, for help. We cannot do these things alone. I put an example. When I wrote one of my papers, I didn't even know what the reviewers were trying to say. I look for help. I use AI. That's a nice tool, but things like that you can go and use. And I said, try again. There is nothing wrong. If you get rejected the paper, you submit it again. If the fellowship doesn't work, you can submit again. There is no problem with, see, if you don't try, you don't know it doesn't work. That's how, actually, my research paper, most of them have been rejected. And then I submit and keep going until it gets accepted. It's about to keep trying. And then to close this small presentation is how we can move forward. Learn and move forward. If we get rejected, we keep going and do it again. That's what I said. These 5 steps definitely will help you to deal with rejection. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.